Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our really lovely 1974 Lotus twin cam. Final year for this pretty desirable little Lotus. It's finished in yellow with a tan interior, black carpets. Beautiful, beautiful car here. Excellent finish on the paintwork. It's showing 46,000 miles, which we believe is original to the car. Matching numbers, twin cam engine. Really, really lovely restored car that we just purchased from Northern California. We're bringing it in here and we're doing a little bit of some service work, and then we are going to have a spectacular driving video for everyone. But yeah, great paint, great chrome. It's fitted with these alloy wheels with these lovely new set of tires. All original glass. The windshield's brand new, which is perfect condition. All the rubber's great. All the chrome's great. I mean, if you're in the market for a really lovely restored Europa, it's right here. I mean, these are not cheap to do, especially in today's market with high parts and labor costs, especially for paint work. But this is a gem of a little Europa here. So let's take a look around. Like I said, great paint, just great paint, great chrome. You know, just look at all the finish work on it. Really, really lovely. Like I said, brand new triplex windshield fitted. All the rest of the glass is original. I believe this is a 5-speed car. But have a look underneath in the still photos. Really spectacular, clean undercarriage. Interior wise, we believe this is the original interior. All the correct matching vinyl throughout on the whole car. Even these seats are amazingly well preserved. Headliner, I think, has been retouched maybe. Really nice carpet set. Show quality dashboard, that's absolutely beautiful. Little tiny tear there in the driver's side getting in and out, which is a normal wear spot. That is very typical, but you know, as we're looking at all this upholstery, it's just completely matching throughout. As far as door panels, the center console, the seats, the seat material. So we highly believe here that this car's got all the original upholstery fitted. There's the driver's side door panel. And there's that beautiful dashboard again. Great fitting hood panel. You can see when they painted it, paint's nearly show quality on this car. It really is spectacular. But they stripped and painted all in here beautifully. That's the original VIN plate to the car. Heating system here. Really nice panels. You could tell this car is low mileage and it's never really been in disrepair or never been abused, because everything just is just so spot on as far as the fit and finish of it. Let's take a look in the engine compartment here. We're doing a little bit of service work to get this car driving beautifully. But this is the original matching twin cam engine to the car. The car also comes with tons of spares here. That's the original air cleaner, little collector box there, the original steering wheel, bunch of bits and pieces and spares. But really nice whistle clean engine compartment. And like I said, look for that video that's going to be coming on shortly of this car driving around. But yeah, this is our 1974 Lotus Europa twin cam special, finished in this fantastic Lotus racing yellow, tan interior, black carpets, and there it is. Look for that driving video probably next week. 1974 Lotus Europa twin cam. It's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.